Good evening, everyone. It is February 8th, 2017. We're doing another personal box break for Shahadi. He purchased another personal box of 2015-16 OPG Platinum Hockey. So, here it is right here. I know, that's the thing, Shawty. It could be less or more, like Joe's saying, because we don't even know if one has ever sold before. That's the thing. So, who knows if you're the first one that's going to list it. Who knows if, you know. Like I said, this is last year's product, so maybe there was maybe a couple then. But at least within the last couple months or last 30 days, there hasn't been anything. So, like I said, when I said those emeralds are really rare, they are. There's like a Connor McDavid one listed for like $5 grand. Oh yeah, right there. So think about it. If you can get $100 for that surge, let's say $100. You know what you're up already on the personal box price, and then whatever else you sell card by card, or you know, even just alone on the refractors or anything like that. Like I said, a PG Platinum does retain its value. We've done a ton of these personal boxes. We went through a ton of cases just with me alone. Joe P is Jaspy's HobbyLand at gmail.com. Alright, we'll do this left side stack for you, Shahadi. Good luck. That's Kucherov. There's Aaron Ekblad. That's a Trax. Dube, Nick Ritchie rookie. Marion Gabrick, Marty Brodeur, Shinkurik, Taylor Hall. That's a rainbow refractor. Actually, this Marty Brodeur was also a rainbow refractor. I kind of missed that one. Bobby Ryan, that's a Dylan Larkin auto. Aginla, Nick Shore, rainbow rookie. Adam Henrique, that's a rainbow. Brandon Gauntz, that's a rainbow as well. Eric Stahl die cut. Poirier rookie. Superstars die cut, that's Wayne Gretzky. Eric Carlson, Kevin Fiala rookie. John Carlson Trax. Verbata. Alright, so that was the left side. So let's do the left side. See some nice little color variations coming out of here, Shahadi. So let's see who that is. Depending on who it is, if that's like a Connor McDavid, you can be up big time. All right, Nick, no problem. Alright, shit. Oh, there's one more pack. I almost forgot the last pack. Alright, Shahadi. Here's your next stack. Good luck. Eagle Eye Ehlers rookie. Sometimes the packs are backwards. There's a Connor McDavid rookie I was talking about. This can be anywhere between $10 to $20, depending who wants to pay 20, who wants to pay 10. But this is like a $10 to $20 Connor McDavid rookie card right there. Easy $10 for sure. Could probably get 20 to 25 out of that. Jamie Benn, Gaunt's rookie. Taylor Hall. Kyle Bond rookie. Wow, look at this. Oh my God. Wow. Shahadi, you have picked the best 2 boxes I've ever seen. Connor McDavid rookie auto. It's a blue cubes 11 of 35.
Stop.
Oh my God.
Stop.
Jesus. Oh man, sorry about that.
Stop.
Jeez.
That's just stupid.
Heart attack right now.
Wow.
Man, who knew a Connor McDavid auto was going to be in one of these personals?
Why didn't I buy this personal box?
Oh my God. Jeez, where's it? Can you give me a top loader? Let me get a top loader for this.
Wow.
Jeez, that is big bucks, Shahadi. Damn. Even Greg is like using the Lord's name in vain.
I know.
Oh my. Oh.
Let me look that up.
Oh man. There it is, Shahadi. I don't know how much blue cubes would be. I would say at least
Open auction, 300. No, that's just a blue auto. Retro blue went for 335.
no, this is blue cubes. I'm not sure. That's gonna be expensive for sure.
35 blue cube went for $441.
$441, Shahadi.
November 18th.
Not too bad. Almost 5 bills. No Hannafin rookie. Let's get back to the break. We'll talk about that later. We got another blue cubes right here. Brian Elliott. 56 of 75. I can't believe that was in here. Jeez. Plekanec. Anders Lee. That's Evgeny Malkin. That's a white ice. 96 of 199. Matthias Janmark. Jeff Carter. That's Victor Hedman. That's another, that's a red prism. 132 of 149. Remember, guys, this is 15-16, so this is Connor McDavid. This year's 16-17 O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey is releasing next month. So that O-Pee-Chee Platinum Hockey with Austin Matthews and Patrick Laine is going to go for a ton as well. The fact that there's 2 players that are in the set that'll sell for a ton of money. So there it is, Shahadi. There's your personal box of O-Pee-Chee Platinum. I'm not sure if anybody's going to buy these personal boxes anymore. Now that they know that it's in here. But here it is. As you can see here, your colors right there. You got a 1 Connor McDavid rookie right there. Well, guess what? You probably got one of the best ones. Connor McDavid auto, blue cubes, 11 of 35. What a break. So there you go, Shahadi. Thanks for trying out these personal boxes. See, guys, like I always say, hockey, most people might not want to watch it, but insane value in cards in the hobby. So thank you, Shahadi. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.